everyone, this is Happy Jane. One of my subscribers asked me to show how to make Perilla Leaves Pickle. So I'm gonna show you 2 ways to make Perilla Leaves Pickle. First is the Perilla Leaves Pickle with soju, Korean liquor. It goes well with the rice. It's a really tasty dish. The second is the one with vinegar. It goes well with the meat, such as grilled pork or grilled beef. I prepared 28 bundles of Perilla leaves, around 500 grams. Soak in water with the first cup of vinegar to sterilize for just 5 minutes. And after I wash it 3 times, drain them in a colander. Because I'm gonna make 2 kinds of Perilla Leaves Pickle, I divided them in half. One type is Perilla Leaves Pickle without vinegar, but with soju. The seasoning is including 2 cups of water, 1 cup of soy sauce, 1 cup of plum syrup, half cup of fish sauce, half cup of soju, a little bit of ginger, or 1 teaspoon of ginger powder. Put all the seasonings except soju in the pot and boil it on stove. When the sauce boils, turn off the heat and let it cool down a little bit. And then add soju and mix well. Cut off the top of the Perilla leaves with the scissors like this. Then stack up Perilla leaves in the airtight container like this. And add the sauce into the container. If you like spicy food, you can add some spice pepper. Press down with another container or dish on top to soak in sauce completely, like this. Keep it at room temperature for a day and then store it in refrigerator. The other type is Perilla Leaves Pickle with vinegar. The seasoning is including 1 cup of soy sauce, some more 2/3 cup of sugar, 1 cup of water, 2/3 cup of vinegar. Put all the seasoning except vinegar in the pot and boil it. When the sauce boils, turn off the heat and cool it down slightly. At this time, add the vinegar and mix it well. I'm gonna stack the remaining Perilla leaves in an airtight container too, like this. And add the sauce. Press down with another container on top. 2 containers on top to soak in sauce completely. Keep them at room temperature for a day and then store in the refrigerator. I made it 3 days ago. Looks so delicious. It is so easy and simple recipe, but as you know, it's a representative rice dish, a fermented food 장아찌. Be sure to give it a try. Thank you.